Yeah, I mean, it's been crazy lately. I know that what we're doing is important, but we're working these insane hours. And by the time I go to work, it's dark. And then by the time I leave work, it's dark, but whatever, we'll be done soon.
Oh, Jane, you look so tired.
Yeah, well, it's a stressful time of year.
I feel you. Mom is driving me crazy. No offense, mom. But anyways, it will be nice if you could, pack your things and come back here to Hawaii
No.
because I don't even remember the last time you came here.
Oh, that was their gathering.
Okay, Mom. I mean, it was a wedding, but
Oh, wow. They say 45 dolphins off the coast.
What did you say?
I didn't. Anne's watching something on animals again.
The H2O heroes are on site right now to save another stray dolphin off the marsh. Come look, babe.
Babe, can't you see I'm doing something?
I'm sorry.
I better go. Bye. Love you.
Bye.
Love you. Oh, she looks so miserable.
She'll be fine, mom.
Hey, please tell Joe I'm going to be late. Yeah, my car broke down again. Hey, let me call you back. What's going on?
Oh, look, there is a snowy owl up there on that branch.
Do you mind?
Yeah, absolutely. Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow, it's beautiful. I've never seen an owl before.
Oh man,
Why is it here?
I don't know. Maybe it got lost.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Jane, look. It's the bird I told you about. It's called a snowy owl. It's called a snowy owl. And the book says that sometimes they live in the Arctic tundra in Canada, but sometimes they went to further south. You should have seen it. It was huge.
Looks like Hedwig from Harry Potter.
Yes. Yes.
You must have gotten some rest, Jane. Your eyes look less puffy.
Yeah, I have. And Anne's been out early every morning.
Why would anyone want to do that?
She's actually been out looking at birds. Look at this. Pretty good, huh?
Wow. I didn't even know she could draw.
I didn't either.
What do you mean you guys didn't know?
You did?
Yeah, we used to draw at our house together.
I forgot about that. Yeah. I mean, I guess I should have known. I met her in art school, but I thought she was more into ceramics. It reminds me of when we used to go camping together. Pretty detailed though, right?
What type of bird is it?
No idea. I'll have to ask her.
Hey, this is amazing. What is it? It's a Carolina wren.
Carolina wren?
Yeah, he's right over there. On the roof, singing his heart out. He's been there for days and I just heard him. Wow. Should I show you?
Yeah. Oh, I see it. He's little, but he sure is making a lot of noise. Oh, there's another one. Wait, no, it's different.
Let's see. Oh, I don't know. I think he's a nuthatch.
Oh, it does look like that. You know, you're pretty good at this.
Isn't it cold there?
I don't mind.
Everything is cold outside of Hawaii, Mom.
It's him again.
Who's there? Who's there?
Something, Mom.
A bird?
Yes. Yeah.
How does she know it's a male?
Because only the males sing, right? Tell him, honey.
Yeah, well, the males do it to attract a mate, mainly in the springtime, but they can sing all year round.
Oh, look at him.
What? Where are they going now? Watching birds?
I don't know, but they seem happy, so that's fine with me.